Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we are talking about how to create groups on WhatsApp web. Why would you want to know how to create groups on WhatsApp web? Well, maybe it is your first time using WhatsApp web and not sure how to create groups on WhatsApp web. So today I am going to show you how to create groups on WhatsApp web. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Creating groups on WhatsApp web is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for all devices. Let me show how you will create groups on WhatsApp web. First of all, open WhatsApp web in your device, and now here is my WhatsApp web home screen. And now first click on new chat, and then in this window click on new group. Now first select people you want to add in your group, and then click on right arrow and now enter your group name and then click on check mark and your group has been created. So there you go. If you were wondering how to create groups on WhatsApp web, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.